This time next year. Uyog sa takad.
Nabilin.
Car atin.
Carless.
Hi guys!
Hi.
Mag-fit check lang sa 7-Eleven.
Since we...
I'll put my hand up on you. Smile. Mikey vlog part 2. Currently, we're still walking because
Currently contemplating my life choices.
yeah, walking towards the road that leads me to Jollibee. Hoy! Hi everyone, I'm vlogging. Nagwapa rin ko pag gabi ay. Shut my room. Like, yes.
Don't be sad, B.
Awi. Hindi siya gentleman's choice kay ladies' choice.
Saan mo? Dili si ma'am ano.
Late night adventures with the PLW thieves. Kayo,
Attachment issues going hard tonight.
Real now.
Hindi mo to matitikman kung tatawag ko lang habol nyo na kung gumiling pa'y lumiliko masusunod pa rin ang puso ko ng puso ng
So, I'm gonna teach them how to dance voodoo. Okay? Yan na lang itong tutorial, guys. Oh, igugod daw ka. Anong reaction mo? Hi!
Hey.
This is for my vlog.
Uy, ice cream yummy to.
Sige.
Ice cream yummy.
Oh, yeah, you think you're paying for ice cream so good? Wow, delicious strawberry. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Super yummy. Super ew. Wow. Ding 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 bro. Ding 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 bro. Ding ding.
Hello everyone. So today I'm gonna teach them how to budots properly. Let's go. First you have to like open your leg and then roll of you. One, two, three, and hey. And you have to use your tongue.
Yummy. Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Super yummy. Super ew. Wow. Ding 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 bro. Ice cream yummy.
Oh.
Sabi naman tayo ang gawin.
Oh, dungan na kanan ko, dungan na kanan. Wow. Magkakit. Lakaloy sa kung ano.
Ako makatry sa plastic.
Uy, hanggang may sa'yo.
Teka, nag-aaral ka ba?
Oo.
Uloy, anong course mo? Astronaut. Ba't astronaut? Pupunta ako sa araw. Sa araw? Mainit nun ah. Gago, eh di gabi ako pupunta. Teka, may gagawin pa akong kante. Okay, game. Hambog ng Cypro Crew.
Yeah.
Unang araw ka ng bidahan, lapit ka dito, ang aking nakamati at kita, lubusan, pagkikadaihan mo'y mabalik, basta mahal kita.
Siyempre.
Mike.
Kaya 20 ka, that's what